It's the Cobry Cafetiere of cloud knowledge. Oh yeah.
Calendar resources in the admin console, and these can be used to manage any kind of resource at your organization. It could be, for using you could allocate them to meeting rooms if you want to be able to book out meeting rooms. It could be for equipment like recording equipment or lighting or anything like that. But it could also be for desks in your office. So what you could do is you could create a secondary calendar for the office, and in that calendar there could be 10, 15 resources if you have 10 or 15 desks, and then basically you would just say, anybody that wants to come into the office, go into that secondary calendar and book yourself a desk for the day.
Working hours, right? That's like a huge thing for like a distributed team. In terms of productivity, working hours, someone schedules in an event outside your working hours, you automatically decline it. I'm not working that time, go away, right?
One of the actual other benefits of being able to put in your working hours is that it will overlap into other areas of Google Workspace, that information. So if you're a Google Voice user for your business's telephony, then you can set Google Voice to follow your working hours, which means your phone won't ring after 5 o'clock if you finish at 5 o'clock. And it just helps you kind of, draw that line between work and personal life and try and get that balance right.
Having a secondary time zone that I could add in my calendar is the best thing ever. I can just see both the time here in Romania and in Glasgow, or just the UK time in general. And it's very easy for me to then tell exactly when I should schedule things and that.
The collaboration between the calendars for your colleagues as well, I think that's something that's pretty unique to Google Calendar as well. Basically just how easy it is to view and sort of manage other people's calendars as well. I think by default everyone in your organization has essentially full visibility of everyone's calendars, which makes it really easy to book times in. You can see what everyone's up to. That being said, you can also change that to free/busy, so maybe if there's certain calendar events you're not really want people to see, you can set them as private as well.
Being able to make events recurring, so being able to you could create an event, say like for example our 10:30 daily call. You could, if you wanted to do it manually, you could set up a meeting for every single day. It'd be an absolute pain, but you can actually, when you're creating this call, you can just set it to recur Monday to Friday every week, which is like really good. And then also say it's a more sort of niche thing. Maybe you wanted to meet on the second Tuesday of every month. You're able to do that when you're setting up a call. It just takes a lot of hassle out of setting up recurring meetings.
Now that we can all select whether we're in office or at home on our calendars, it's really easy for people to see. When you accept an invite to a calendar, you also get to see whether the person is going to be in an office or in a meeting room, or whether they're going to be online virtually through a webcam. So I think that's really helpful, and I think kind of Google are leading the charge when it comes to hybrid working.